Your bank account is under a constant siege from those glossy social media ads, and I finally decided to peek behind the curtain of those viral bath bombs. You know the ones. They promise to turn a chaotic evening into a magical adventure with a tiny toy hidden at the center of a fizzing cloud. Parents are calling this brand a total lifesaver. It is all over my feed right now. I spent hours digging through the claims to see if there's any real substance there. On the surface, everything looks totally legit. The ingredients are the standard gentle stuff like sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and glycerin. They even offer a solid 30-day money-back guarantee, which is actually quite rare for these viral shops. Most of them just take your money and vanish. This brand actually stands by the shipping and the returns. That is a good start. But then I hit a wall. I started looking at the pricing for their 12-pack and it sits somewhere between $40 and $50. That felt a bit steep for some fizz and a plastic animal. I did a quick search on other major retail sites. I found the exact same box with the same toys and the same dissolve time for nearly half the price. It was $20 or $30 on a different site. This is a classic move in the modern e-commerce world. A company builds a beautiful website and runs high-energy ads to target tired parents. They are reselling a generic factory product at a massive premium. They are not specialty makers or inventors. They are expert marketers. I looked at the testimonials on the site and things got even more interesting. You see these glowing reviews from people like Brittany from New York, but there is no way to verify if these people actually exist. It follows the exact pattern of a paid traffic storefront rather than a trusted heritage brand for children. Often these shops sell everything from electric water guns to brain-developing balls. Here is the part that most people miss though. The actual product is not bad. The formula is safe and the toys do exactly what they're supposed to do. You are not getting a low-quality item. You are just paying a massive tax to cover the cost of the ads you just clicked on. You are paying for the convenience of a slick checkout and a branded experience. If that peace of mind is worth $20 extra to you, then go for it. You will get a product that works and your kids will probably love the surprise. Just keep in mind that the choking hazard is real for kids under 3. You have to be careful with those tiny toys. It really makes me think about how many of these must-have items are just rebranded leftovers from a massive warehouse. I spent way too much time staring at pictures of plastic tigers and giraffes to realize they were all identical. It is a wild world out there for consumers. You have to be a detective just to buy soap. If you see a product blowing up on your feed tonight, please take 5 minutes to do a quick search elsewhere. You might find that you can get twice the fun for the exact same amount of money. This brand is not necessarily a scam, but they are definitely banking on the fact that you are too busy to compare prices. It is an interesting look at how we are sold a story rather than a unique invention. We all want a peaceful bath time, but we should not have to pay double the market rate to get it.